Today we are going to learn about the freedom movement. The freedom movement of India. So far, we know that in 1857, the First World War of Independence took place. However, this First World War of Independence was not a success, but the Indians understood the importance of being united. This idea of being united started in rise in nationalism. So, in 1958, there was a huge change happened in India when the rule of East India Company ended and the rule of England Queen was started. The new ruler brings up a policy which is known as the policy of association. So what does this policy of association tells about? So the policy of association tells Indians can also take part in legislation where they can get good post in government. By this policy, the educated people started to know the importance of their motherland and being responsible to show love towards India. Educated people started spreading the importance of motherland. They even proved how British rulers are taking advantage of India by treating Indians as slaves. With the help of good education and knowledge, they wanted an institute or a place where they can share the ideas and thoughts with people to get rid of British policies. So, this resulted in the creation of Indian National Congress. So far, there was no such association made in India because of lack of knowledge and education. But with the help of education, people started to form some associations like the Hindu Mela, All Indian Association, Purna Sarvajanik Sabha, and the Indian Association. Because of these associations, newspapers were also started with many writers. W.C. Banerjee was its first president. A.O. Hume played an important role in the formation of Indian National Congress. So who is A.O. Hume? Hume was a retired British civil servant and met political leaders in many cities like Madras, Bombay and Calcutta, where he discussed the various issues of public importance. So, Indian National Congress started spreading from one city to many other. Everyone started reading the newspaper and gained the knowledge about what is happening around them. After knowing about this newspaper, Lord Lytton will bring the Vernacular Press Act, which will not allow any bad or wrong things to be written about the British in newspaper. During the first National Convention, the Congress delivered its prime aim as national unity to achieve the unity among diverse culture and social parts of India. However, the newspaper were spread up to some extent of people in which all social issues were discussed. So, there was a positive effect of spreading newspaper by which British people would go weak. So, to break this unity, the British started to implement divide and rule policy. The strategy of divide and rule will be success to some extent as they started to implement their policy mainly between Hindus and Muslims. This was because most of the population of India was of Muslim and Hindus, which will make them easy to start with. Due to two different ideology and belief, the differences arises and unity breaks, which made British to retain their power back. Due to the differences in their ideology, beliefs and execution style, they identify as moderates and radicals.